If you are staring at your current laptop and wondering if it is finally time to upgrade, or if you are tempted by the latest releases from Apple, you might want to put your credit card away and hold off just a little bit longer. A massive shift is coming to the premium computing space, and it is entirely reshaping the way we think about portable power. We are looking at the most explosive, highly credible supply chain leaks regarding the ultimate flagship device of the near future, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Imagine holding a device crafted entirely from aerospace-grade titanium, featuring a Tandem OLED display that defies traditional brightness limits, and packing an unbelievable amount of unified memory that rivals top-tier desktop workstations. We are talking about a razor-thin glass and metal slate that threatens to render traditional laptops completely obsolete. The details emerging from the supply chain are painting a picture of an uncompromising machine designed specifically for power users, creative professionals, and those who demand the absolute peak of mobile engineering. The physical design of this upcoming device marks a dramatic departure from everything we have seen in previous generations. For years, the Ultra line has been the undisputed king of Android tablets, boasting massive screens and premium aluminum chassis. However, aluminum has its limits, especially when you are dealing with a screen size that pushes past 14 inches. According to the latest authentic leaks originating from the manufacturing floors, Samsung is making the unprecedented leap to a Grade 5 titanium frame for the Tab S12 Ultra. This is the exact same ultra-premium material currently reserved for the most expensive flagship smartphones on the market. Bringing this aerospace material to a massive 14.6-inch digital canvas is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it is a structural necessity. Titanium offers a drastically superior strength-to-weight ratio compared to aluminum. This means the overall chassis will be incredibly rigid and highly resistant to accidental bending, a crucial factor for a device this large and this thin. Beyond the titanium frame, the most visually striking design triumph is what is actually missing from the display. The controversial camera notch is finally being eradicated. Supply chain analysts indicate that Samsung is successfully implementing their next-generation under-display camera technology for the Tab S12 Ultra. By utilizing microscopic pixel arrangements and highly advanced, on-device artificial intelligence light correction algorithms, engineers have managed to completely conceal the front-facing camera sensors beneath the active display glass. When you are watching a cinematic movie in landscape mode, intensely editing a multi-track video timeline, or sketching out an expansive architectural floor plan, you are presented with a purely uninterrupted, true edge-to-edge viewing experience. Earlier iterations of under-display cameras on smartphones suffered from a distinct hazy artifacting or compromised photo quality, but this new implementation reportedly supports full 4K video broadcasting. This brings us to the actual display panel itself, which is traditionally Samsung's strongest asset. For the Tab S12 Ultra, they are taking visual fidelity into an entirely new stratosphere by integrating a 14.6-inch Tandem OLED display. If you are unfamiliar with the mechanics of Tandem OLED technology, it represents one of the most significant leaps in screen manufacturing in the last decade. Instead of utilizing a single light-emitting organic layer, this display precisely stacks two separate OLED layers directly on top of one another. The immediate benefit is a massive surge in peak brightness. Current leaks suggest this panel can achieve an eye-searing peak HDR brightness of 3000 nits. But the brilliance of the Tandem OLED system is not strictly about achieving raw, blinding brightness, it is heavily focused on long-term panel durability. Because the total light output is shared across two distinct emitting layers, the individual OLED pixels do not have to be driven nearly as hard to achieve the same visual result. This drastically reduces thermal wear and virtually eliminates the risk of static image burn-in over the lifespan of the device. Furthermore, it operates with significantly higher energy efficiency. The color accuracy on this display is expected to cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color space with a true 10-bit color depth, delivering over a billion distinct shades. Paired with a buttery-smooth, adaptive 144 Hz variable refresh rate, this panel is undeniably shaping up to be the most advanced visual canvas ever engineered for a mobile form factor. Of course, a display of this magnitude is entirely useless without the internal computational horsepower required to drive it. This is exactly where the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra crosses the threshold from being a premium entertainment tablet into the territory of a legitimate, uncompromising desktop replacement. Deep inside the titanium chassis, this machine is reportedly powered by the next-generation Snapdragon chipset, specifically heavily customized and optimized exclusively for the Galaxy ecosystem. We are looking at a modern, highly efficient desktop-class architecture that thoroughly destroys conventional mobile benchmark testing. However, the primary processing unit is only one piece of the performance puzzle. The specific leak that is currently sending shockwaves through the professional tech community involves the system memory. Samsung is reportedly completely removing the traditional memory constraints of mobile devices by outfitting the top-tier configuration of the Tab S12 Ultra with a staggering 24 GB of ultra-fast, high-bandwidth RAM. To put that into perspective, that is significantly more active memory than you will find in the vast majority of professional-grade laptops currently sitting on retail shelves. You might wonder why a portable tablet would ever require 24 GB of RAM. The answer lies in extreme, unthrottled multitasking. With this level of memory, a user can effortlessly render a massive 4K video project in the background, keep dozens of uncompressed, high-resolution graphic layers open in professional photo editing software, maintain 20 active browser tabs, and run a live virtual machine, all simultaneously without a single dropped frame, application crash, or forced refresh. To interface with this immense power, Samsung is completely overhauling their stylus technology. The newly redesigned S Pen, which authentically remains included in the box at no additional charge, introduces highly sophisticated internal haptics. These micro-vibration motors are engineered to actively mimic the exact physical friction and feedback of different physical writing tools. If you select a graphite pencil tool in your application, the physical resistance and vibration in your hand will feel distinctly different than if you select a felt-tip marker or a wet paint brush. This tactile illusion fundamentally bridges the gap between digital and physical media. Moreover, the stylus leverages the tablet's massive artificial intelligence processing power to predict your physical hand movements. The software experience is also undergoing a massive transformation to utilize all this new hardware. We are seeing the highly anticipated evolution of the localized software ecosystem, transitioning into a true desktop-class environment. The operating system uses artificial intelligence to deeply learn your specific daily workflow patterns. If your routine involves opening a specific financial spreadsheet alongside a livestock ticker and a communication app every morning, the system will proactively preload that exact multi-window arrangement directly into the massive RAM pool so it appears instantaneously on demand. Furthermore, the localized AI handles real-time, on-device meeting transcription and instantaneous live language translation during video conferences, ensuring your highly sensitive corporate or personal data never leaves the physical confines of your device. Powering a hyper-bright Tandem OLED screen and a desktop-class processor naturally raises questions about endurance. Supply chain insiders indicate that Samsung's battery manufacturing division has achieved a significant breakthrough in cell density. This allows them to pack an absolutely monstrous 12,000 mAh battery capacity into the device without increasing the physical thickness of the titanium chassis by a single millimeter. When combined with the enhanced power efficiency of the tandem display structure and the smarter processing node, users can realistically expect this tablet to easily power through a full, demanding workday of mixed professional use and a single charge. When the time finally comes to replenish the battery, the charging architecture is receiving a much-needed generational upgrade. Leaks point to the inclusion of 80-watt ultra-fast wired charging capabilities. This allows professionals to plug the device in during a brief coffee break and rapidly inject hours of heavy productivity back into the battery in a matter of minutes, completely eliminating battery anxiety from the workflow. With unparalleled raw power, a revolutionary display, and an aerospace-grade build, the financial entry point for this technology reflects its premium status. Historically, devices of this magnitude launch in the late third quarter of the year, pointing toward a massive global unveiling in late summer or early fall. Because the manufacturing costs associated with true Grade 5 titanium, dual-layer tandem OLED panels, and 24 GB of high-speed memory are exceptionally high, a price adjustment across the lineup is inevitable. Current authentic pricing leaks suggest the baseline configuration of the Tab S12 Ultra will enter the US market at approximately $1,300. For power users demanding the absolute maximum specifications, the maxed-out tier featuring 1 TB of internal storage and the full 24 GB of RAM is expected to push significantly past the $1,600 threshold.